Greetings, RV enthusiasts! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. We're excited to unveil this CARFAX one-owner 2018 Thor Tuscany 40RT with only 36,000 miles. This 41-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a heavy-duty Freightliner XC-R raised rail chassis, features the highly desirable 40RT floor plan with 3 huge slide-outs, 1.5 baths, a drop-down overhead bunk, and sleeping for up to 6 in pure opulence. Coated in Thor's stunning Avalon full-body paint package using black, silver, gray, and maroon striping, this RV radiates prestige and comes powered by a monstrous 450 horsepower Cummins diesel engine. Buckle up for a full-throttle tour to explore every jaw-dropping detail of this remarkable coach. Let's kick off with the exterior, where the 2018 Thor Tuscany 40RT commands attention with timeless sophistication. The Avalon graphics package bathes this coach in rich, elegant hues, ensuring it turns heads at every campground or scenic stop. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner XC-R raised rail chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride across any terrain. Powered by a side-radiated 8.9-liter Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 450 horsepower and 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. Brand new tires all around on polished aluminum wheels, and an Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with auto-gen start on a power slide-out tray ensures reliability for years to come. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your outdoor lifestyle. A full pass-through basement storage compartment with a slide-out storage tray offers massive space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. Power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, luxurious retreat at any campsite. Automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with a huge in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch adds serious towing capability. Powering your adventures is effortless with this all-electric RV's top-tier systems. An AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system provides endless hot water and zoned furnace heat, while 3 roof-mounted 15,000 BT UACs with heat pumps keep you comfortable year-round. A 50-amp service with extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects ensure efficient energy management. Polished porcelain tile flooring throughout and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system add luxury and convenience, making this RV a standout for full-time or extended travel. Step inside, and the 40RT floor plan unfolds as a plush, family-friendly palace. 3 huge slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 6, perfect for families or groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a large pull-out sleeper sofa, and a power drop-down overhead bunk bed above the front seats. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, an electric induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher option, an extendable countertop section, and a residential sink with faucet for all your cooking needs. The front living area is a cozy retreat with a large pull-out sleeper sofa, luxury 2-person theater recliner seating, a 50-inch TV on a TV lift that hides away when not in use, and an electric fireplace with heat, ideal for family movie nights or relaxing after a day of adventure. A table dinette with 2 chairs beside a 32-inch TV offers a versatile dining space, enhanced by polished porcelain tile flooring and high-gloss cabinetry. The middle private half bathroom is a standout, with a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan, delivering convenience for the whole crew. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, dual wardrobe closets, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. A stackable washer and dryer adds ultimate convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The full-width rear master bathroom is exceptional, With a large shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, huge sink and vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, delivering a refreshing spa-like experience. At just 36,000 miles, this 2018 Thor Tuscany 40RT is a phenomenal opportunity to own a feature-packed coach with a drop-down bunk, 1.5 baths, and king bed master. Picture cruising in this 2018 Tuscany 40RT, exploring coastal highways, mountain retreats, or quiet campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or dropping the overhead bunk for the kids after a day of adventure. This RV delivers residential versatility and family-friendly luxury, creating memories that last a lifetime. Let's dive deeper into why this Tuscany is a top pick. Thor's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, polished porcelain tile floors, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. The Freightliner XC-R chassis and Cummins power inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the drop-down bunk to the rear master bath, this RV is built for comfort and convenience. Why choose this Tuscany? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the 1.5 baths, washer-dryer, and drop-down bunk that make family camping effortless. The 40RT floor plan offers plenty of room for 6, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2018 Thor Tuscany 40RT is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 864-2609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2018 Thor Tuscany 40RT. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-2609-276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2018 Tuscany 40RT. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in comfort.